Hey everyone! Welcome back to TuneFresh Techno Insights. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the brand new DJI Osmo Nano. This compact, wearable action camera promises big features in a tiny form. In this video, we'll see what's inside the box, put it through FPV and DIY shots, take it for a bike ride, and check out its evening and night performance. And along the way, I'll give you a deep dive into its key specs and why it's perfect for creators like us. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. The DJI Osmo Nano arrives in signature DJI packaging. Inside, you'll find the Osmo Nano camera module, multifunctional vision dock with a live preview screen, Osmo Nano protective case, Osmo Nano magnetic hat clip, magnetic lanyard, Osmo Nano dual direction magnetic ball joint adapter mount, USB-C charging cable, quick start guide. The first thing you notice is just how tiny and lightweight the Nano really is, designed for portability and quick setup. The modularity and attachments are similar to the DJI Action 2, but this time the design is much smaller and far better in terms of portability, usability, and overall video quality. The DJI Osmo Nano camera module weighs just 52 grams, and when attached to the multifunctional vision dock, the total weight becomes 124 grams. This modular design gives you the flexibility to use it as a standalone ultralight action camera or switch to a more traditional setup with the vision dock. The DJI Osmo Nano supports multiple video resolutions, including 4K at up to 60 frames per second and 1080p at up to 240 frames per second for super smooth slow motion. For still photography, it captures high-resolution images up to 6880 by 5160 pixels, roughly 35 megapixels. It also brings some powerful pro-level features: 10-bit D-Log-M color, a 143-degree ultra-wide lens, RockSteady 3.0 electronic image stabilization, and a magnetic modular design that makes mounting incredibly flexible. The DJI Osmo Nano camera unit itself has a battery life of up to 90 minutes, which extends to up to 200 minutes when connected to the multifunctional vision dock. Camera battery capacity is 530 mAh and the dock capacity is 1300 mAh. The Osmo Nano comes with a range of smart magnetic attachments that make shooting incredibly flexible. The Osmo Nano magnetic lanyard lets you attach the camera to your chest for true hands-free recording, perfect for capturing immersive, first-person footage effortlessly. The Osmo Nano magnetic hat clip securely mounts to the brim of your hat, and its adjustable tilt lets you frame your shots exactly the way you want. It's lightweight, unobtrusive, and ideal for clean POV videos. You also get the Osmo Nano dual-direction magnetic ball joint adapter mount. This dual-sided mount allows you to attach the camera to smooth surfaces like car roofs, windows, and mirrors at almost any angle. With these attachments, the Osmo Nano becomes one of the best cameras for POV content, DIY videos, travel vlogs, and hands-free shooting, because you can mount or position it anywhere on your body or surroundings with zero hassle. One of the most innovative features of the Osmo Nano is its completely detachable dual-module system. The camera module and the display module are connected magnetically, and you can separate them within seconds. This gives you full freedom to use the camera module alone, making it an ultralight, super compact action camera that you can mount anywhere on your body, helmet, car, or accessories. Meanwhile, the display module can stay in your hand, on a grip, in controlling the shot wirelessly. Another big advantage is that the modules can be attached in either orientation. Whether you want the screen facing you for vlogging or flip the other way for forward-facing POV shots, the Nano's magnetic mounting system makes it incredibly flexible. This detachable design essentially gives you two shooting styles in one device. A tiny standalone action camera for POV, DIY, travel, and sports. A traditional setup with screen plus controls for planned filmmaking. It's this modularity that makes the Osmo Nano extremely versatile and better suited for creators who want maximum freedom while shooting. To sum it up, the DJI Osmo Nano is more than just an upgrade, it's a complete rethink of what an ultra-portable action camera can be. With its detachable modular design, magnetic accessories, stunning 4K quality, and powerful stabilization, it gives creators the freedom to shoot anywhere, in any style, without carrying bulky gear. Whether you're into POV videos, travel vlogs, DIY content, or daily life storytelling, the Osmo Nano delivers versatility, convenience, and professional-level results in the smallest form factor DJI has ever made. If you're looking for a pocket-sized camera that can adapt to any situation, this is definitely one of the best choices in 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and camera reviews.